Hello everybody and welcome to the Fraternity and Sorority Life website tutorial. In this tutorial we will be looking into the reporting tab, where to go to report any and all concerning behavior that you might have. So right now we're on the home page, and to get to that form you can hit either this reporting tab up top, or there's also a reporting tab to the right side of the website home screen. I'm going to utilize the tab at the top. So this tab will send you right to the reports. And here it will tell you, it will provide you with a little bit of instructions to use. And then the first section is your background information. So this is where you are going to fill out your full name, your phone number, your email address, the nature of the report, and then also the date of the incident, the time of the incident, and then the specific location. And the specific location, it will give you a drop-down menu and you can pick. And it will have all the Greek houses, it will have the housing on campus building centers. So you can pick any location where the incident occurred. For the involved parties, you will put the name or the name of the organization, and then if it's multiple, you can just click this little button and it will give you another section. If you click too many, you can always remove the last party. And then here, this is where you're going to put all the details from the incident, and it asks you to provide a detailed description of the behavior using specific and objective language. Please make sure to include all relevant information, including who was involved in the incident, how each person associated with this report was involved in the incident, what happened during the incident, where the incident took place, and when the incident took place. So you're going to do like the who, what, when, where, and why. Put as much information and detail as you can. And then also the second space is where you can add any additional agencies or departments that were present, or that who were contacted during this incident. And then if you have any photos, videos, any email screenshots, any other supporting documents that you might have, you can upload them to this document. And then you can click the email me copy of this report. That will just email you the email that you put up the top for the background information. It will email you a copy of the report, and then you can submit the report when you're done. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial video. Catch you in the next video.